Hello, kamusta po kayong lahat dito? Lahat ng aking mga minamahal na kapatid na star viewers. Sana ang lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Pakilakasan na lang po ng volume ng video na ito kasi hindi ko po gamit ang aking microphone. So, alamin natin kung ano ang dapat mong malaman mga kapatid. Okay. So, as a reminder guys, ito ay general reading, hindi po ito private reading. Kunin nyo lang po kung saan kayo nakakaresonate. Kung hindi naman, wag lang pong bitter. Next time, baka sa next reading natin, makuha na natin ang iyong energy. Okay. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Anong dapat malaman ng aking mga minamahal na star viewers? Alright. Wow, we have gift, courtship, and a pathway. I'm getting like, yung iba dito sa inyo, there's like a new opportunity. Kung ikaw itong looking forward na, o siguro minamanifest mo itong journey, or okay, ang dami kong nakukuha ngayon, ano. Meron ito sa inyo kasing getting a gift from your partner, a surprise. This could be a surprise gift for you na mag-travel kayo ng partner mo. It could happen in a 17, on the 4, or 35. This could be your age or a date. Yeah, or somehow, yung iba, okay, from the start energy na kukuha ko kasi kanina, if you are looking forward na to be in a relationship, may biyayang darating sa iyo. There's a gift from the universe, a new journey, a new, may bagong daan or may bagong yugto ng iyong love life, kapatid. Yeah, so someone, I should say, your guardian angel, your spirit guides, ito ay, parang ito yung gawa nila. Ito yung lately na ginagawa nila para sa'yo, na para ilalaan nila para sa'yo. Kung ikaw itong naghihintay, kasi meron itong naghihintay, hinihintay mo tong taong ito, hinihintay mo tong pagkakataon na sana ibigay naman sa'yo. At kung hindi pa ito nangyayari, kapatid, maghintay ka lang, be more patient, kasi ito ay darating sa tamang panahon. Ito ay isa sa mga blessings mo na ibibigay ng universe para sa iyo. There's like a new door, a new opportunity, new love life para sa iyo, kapatid. So, be more patient. Maghintay ka lang. Darating din ang tamang para sa iyo. And it's gonna be worth it na itong opportunity, new love life, new person, yung pinaghihintay mo na matagal na, ay darating siya sa tamang panahon. When the time is right, kasi ito ay ginagawa, ito yung guardian angel mo. Parang, tama ako, 'di ba? Hintayin mo lang yun para sa iyo. We are working on it. I am working on your other person. Okay? Siguro sa ngayon, kung ikaw man itong single pa, wag lang atat ng atat. Kasi kung atat na atat ka, baka mapunta ka lang din sa maling tao. So, hintayin mo lang yung tamang panahon na darating iyon. Itong person na ito ang siyang kusa na lalapit sa'yo. Kasi yung spirit guides mo, si Angel Cupid mo, somehow tatamaan siya ni Cupido, parang ganun. Or may matatamaan ni Cupido. And this person will lead. Okay? Siya mismo ang lalapit sa'yo. Or your angel guides will guide this person towards you. Maybe this person will, initial, napapansin ko lang ha, meron siyang letter M or letter C. Or somehow, this could be a past person that you will be receiving a message or may magbabalik. There will be like a new chapter. Siguro meron ditong new chapter. Yung iba sa inyo dito. Yeah, there's like a new chapter. May pagbabago. New beginning from this person if you are looking forward or hinihintay mo itong past person mo. And there's like a beginning, new start, may pagbabago. Yeah. Okay. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, there's a surprise gift from a person you care. This could be your person, your boyfriend, your husband. Yeah, I'm also getting like someone is going to escorting you or mangliligaw, bagong manliligaw. Yeah. Kailan ba ito darating? Parang naano tuloy ako sa ano mo. Bagong mangliligaw. Kailan kaya ito darating? And before that, bago natin alamin kung kailan darating itong bagong pangliligaw or mangliligaw, I'm also getting the energy that meron kasing isa sa mga anak mo, may bibigay siyang regalo sa'yo. There's could be like a new path for you, a new journey. Siguro bibigyan kanya ng, it's like a special gift from your a family member. It could be an invitation na pagta-travel, ano. So siguro may trip to somewhere. Trip to Japan, trip to Korea, or bibisitahin mo siya. Parang meron kasing mama's boy or papa's boy, papa's girl, ikaw na nakakaalam. Again, wala tayong gender dito, ha. So, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakarasunod. Kasi I'm getting the energy that isa sa mga anak mo or family member ay siyang may pagplano ditong imbitahin ka or something about na pagta-travel. Yeah, so, be ready. Or, it could be also a surprise, ano. So, wag na lang natin spoiling yung mga surprise na ito kasi baka yung anak nyo biglang magtaka kasi surprise niya pero yung reaction mo alam mo na, no. So, wala na yung excitement. So, wag na natin sirain yung surprise ng family members niyo. So, again, there's like a gift na ibibigay sa inyo, a journey, pagta-travel, pagbibisita. So, expect this invitation for a surprise. Okay. So, alamin natin kung kailan itong pangliligaw. Alright. Spirit Angels, give us a number. Kailan ito mangyayari? Itong darating na person or mangliligaw. Kailan ito? Let's get 3 numbers. Okay. We have here 3, 0, and 2. So, this could be number 2, 2 weeks from now, or on the 2nd, 0, siguro on the 20, or on the 30. This could be sa edad niya, at the age of 30, or this could be your age at the age of 30, or 23, or 32, or 20. Yeah. Or this could be also an angel number. So, I don't know. Kung wala naman kayong ginagawa, check nyo lang yung angel number, kung anong ibig sabihin ng 302 or kasi kanina ito yung nana ko, 203. Okay. Alright. So, I'm also getting like again from the past person, may magbabalik or may magpaparamdam. This is gonna be like a surprise. Alright. May magpaparamdam sa iyo. There will be like a new friendship here. Siguro sa simula muna, friendship. And then, this is gonna be like a new beginning between the two of you. No? Bago relationship muna yung iba dito sa inyo. Alright, so move on na tayo. Alamin natin kung ano pa ang dapat mong malaman. And another information, guys, I'm also getting like another someone is going to offer you na mag-travel. Something about a travel. Alright, and there's like a friendship. There's another friendship. Yeah. Okay. I'm getting like the same vibe with you. Yung parehas ka ng personality. And this friendship, this partnership, this could be also like a partnership sa business. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo dito. May mag-o-offer sa inyo ng panibagong siguro idea sa or talking about business, and this will lead to a new journey. Bagong daan patungo sa success. Yes. Okay. Yeah, meron dito kasing hidden gift, no? May ano dito, may nakatagong lihim pa. Nakatago, ano pa siya, sorpresa pa muna. And this gonna happen, it might happen, this gift, this news, in 2 days, 2 weeks, on the 20 days, 3 weeks. It could be 3 months, 2 months. Okay? So again, more on patient lang tayo ha sa naghihintay dyan ng mga blessings, new opportunity, kasi meron dito magbubukas na magandang opportunity para sa iyo, kapatid. Yeah. Alright, what else? Ano pa, Spirit Guide Angels? Okay. I'm getting like, you know what? Meron akong isang reading na hindi ko pa pinost, or parang nawalan ako ng ganang i-post, ano. So parang I think na-delete ko 'yun. And I'm getting that energy to get ready kasi this is a pathway. Parang ano siya, isa sa yung energy niya, for sure, the energy that I'm getting from last time video na hindi ko na post, na-delete ko na kasi. I mean, na-delete ko yung kalahati. Nag-edit kasi yung lola mo. And hindi ko nagustuhan yung ibang readings, or yung hindi ko nagustuhan yung boses ko doon. Or may part din kasi na putol. So I tried to edit it, pero you know what? Cut off ko na lang, or I just delete it. And then, anyway, yes, my part doon na this remind me of that part that you will be in a journey, and so get ready. Baka ito yung part na nabanggit ko doon sa isang video na there will be like a new journey. So get ready. Kasi bumabalik yung reading na get ready, or a message from the universe. Are you ready? Ready ka na ba, kapatid? If you are ready, titingnan pa yan ng spirit guides mo, spirit animals mo, or the universe, or ng Panginoon. If this is you na ready ka na, ayan, this opening light, this new and opportunity, a door, opportunity for you, yan, ito ay ibibigay ng universe sa iyo as a gift, an opportunity of a love life. Kasi karamihan dito is look as asking for, or minamanifest mo yung love life. It's all about love. Karamihan sa inyo dito. And yung iba naman, may pagta-travel. So whatever you are manifesting, pagta-travel, love life, there's an opportunity coming towards you. May darating na ibibigay ng universe para sa iyo as a gift. Yeah. Okay. So what else, Spirit Guide Angels? So that's why the universe asking that video, I mean, sa reading na yon, on my old video, are you ready? So tanungin mo sarili mo, ready ka na ba sa panibagong bugho ng karelasyon? Or ready ka na ba mag-travel? Yes. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Ano pang mensahe? Yes, completion. So itong minamanifest mo, makakaramdam ka ng completion. Yung feeling mo na enough na to have this happy family, to have this person of mine na mabuo itong magkakaroon ako ng pamilya. And this could be a gift from the universe to meet your soulmate. If you're looking forward to meet your person. Kung ito yung minamanifest mo na a love life, yes, this will complete you once you meet this person. Yung makakaramdam ka na ito na, okay na ako. Tama na to sa akin. Kompleto na yung mga wish fulfillment ko. Kasi karamihan sa inyo dito is to have a happy family, to have happy children, happy life. Hindi naman kailangan na bonggang-bongga yung pamilya, or sagana sa finances. Ang importante na masaya kayo, buo kayo. Ito yung binamanifest mo. And this will, you will receive this at the right time. When the universe sees you na, if you are ready, kung ready ka na. Itong happy family, abundance, new journey, baka yung buong pamilya mo ay magta-travel, or pupunta sa bundok. Meron kasi, nakukuha ko yung energy na trail. Baka mag-hiking kayo ng buong pamilya, or siguro this is the right time for you and your family na mag-bonding, pupunta ng garden, up in the mountain. Yes. At I would say, mag-enjoy kasi yung mga bata. Kasi kahit saan kasi nakasama ang mga bata, masaya sila. As long as andyan yung mga magulang nila. And that's how you make you, that makes you feel fulfilled. Na makita yung mga bata nakangiti, nag-i-enjoy. And for that, this is like a fulfillment, wish fulfillment for you. A gift from the universe for you to have a happy family. Healthy life, healthy lifestyle. Yung ganun. Yeah. Alright, what else, Spirit Guide Angels? Ano pa ang dapat malaman ng aking mga minamahal na star viewers? Ano ang darating pa sa kanila? What else? Okay. Yes. Oh my God, this is like more on a lot of people. Ang daming mga tao sa paligid mo. Right? Okay, so yung iba sa inyo dito, you are feeling like fulfilled, right? Kompleto. Yeah. And a lot of people admires you, kapatid. Yeah. And this is like a wish fulfillment for you. You will be feeling like, pagka na-receive mo itong gift from the universe, abundance, blessings, yung feeling mo na, okay ka na. Tama na to sa akin. Nakamit ko na mga pangarap ko. So, as long as you're doing good, wala ka namang pinapahamak na mga kapwa natin, pamilya, kaibigan, katrabaho, the universe give you this abundance, happy family, wish fulfillment, lahat ng mga hiniling mo, ibibigay ni universe slowly. So, ikaw siguro itong naghihintay, and then, yung iba sa inyo, napakaswerte, ano? You might be feeling like, ang swerte-swerte ko. Kasi hindi ko na-experience yung ibang mga kapwa ko na hirap. Lahat, parang, it's like parang nakaupo ka lang. So, again, I'm getting the energy, guys, na wala kang dapat gawin. Just sit back and relax. It will hand it to you, or the universe will hand it to you slowly, because you deserved it. All the love, all the respect. Yeah. Wala kang pinapahamak na kapwa, wala kang sinasaktan, and this, all the blessings na darating sa buhay mo, you deserved it. This is a reward, a gift from the universe. Wow, ang ganda ng channeled message for you guys dito. Yeah. A lot of people care for you. Maraming mga tao sa paligid mo, they admire you. Yeah. Ang daming mga tao sa paligid mo na attractive sa iyo. Kasi nakita nila, happy-go-lucky ka lang. Para kang, more on ano kasi nakukuha ko dito people admires you. It's like more on how people sees you, how people view you. Yeah. So nakikita nila, mabuti pa si ganito, ganyan, happy family. Healthy, masaya. Buo ang pamilya. And for you, kontento ka na kung saan ka man naroroon or kung saan ka man ngayon. So this is like a gift, isa sa mga regalo ni universe para sa iyo, because you deserve this. Happy lifestyle, happy love life, happy family. Siguro yung experience mo sa childhood, masaya. Yeah. And for that, ang dami mong mga magagandang memories, especially from your family. Yung yung kabataan mo or during your childhood memories, yes, ang dami mong mga lahat ng mga yon ay you are keeping all of those memories as a treasure. Yeah. So judgment, ito ay tawag ng Panginoon. Ito ang iyong karma. Wow, ang ganda ng karma mo, kapatid. With so much blessings. So continue praying, kasi meron dito sa inyo, whenever you pray, the universe hears you. Parang isa ka sa napaka-blessed na tao dito sa mundo. Na, kung ano yung hinihiling mo, kunwari, Lord God, hirap na hirap po ako ngayon. And then later, the universe send you yung tulong nila. Yung ina-assist ka nila agad. So they send someone or somebody na tutulungan ka. It's because you prayed for it. You asked it. Tinanong mo sa nila or hiniling mo ito sa kanila. Yeah, napakaswerte mo, kapatid. And this is to let you know. Yeah, ipinapaalam ng universe dito sa inyo, continue on praying. Manalangin kayo na bukal, galing bukal or bukal sa inyong kalooban, sa puso ninyo. And for that, the universe hears all your prayer. As a reminder, lahat ng mga panalangin ninyo, lahat ng mga hinanaing ninyo, naririnig nila yan. And this is a message, mensahe ito ng universe, to let you guys know na naririnig nila. Kahit na feeling mo na, wala naman akong nare-receive na tulong, bakit hirap na hirap pa rin ako? Yes, they heard it. Dinig na dinig nila. Yeah. And yes, the world. So, they are protecting you, kapatid. You guys are being divinely protected. Napakaswerte ninyo. Kahit na, alam nyo, kasi minsan, di ba, tayong mga tao dito, may kanya-kanya tayong journey. Yeah. Depende kasi yan sa last reincarnation natin. We are here, see, judgment, karma. We are facing our karma every reincarnation. Kasi sa pagkakaalam ko mga kapatid, meron kasi by level. No? So, kung anong kagandahang ginawa mo last past life, and then this lifetime, you will be blessed because this is your karma. Ito din ang balik sa'yo. Or even it's not, hindi lang sa past life mo, even in this journey. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa buhay, if you're doing your good deeds, tumutulong ka sa kapwa, tumutulong ka sa pamilya mo, laging positibo yung outcome mo sa lahat, then you will be receiving this good karma. Again, this gift, this blessing is a good karma na ibibigay ng universe sa iyo. Happy family, happy lifestyle, people care for you, malapit ka sa Panginoon, and the universe hear all your prayers, lahat ng mga inanaing. Guys, hindi lang, I'm also getting like, wag lang naman kayo manalangin ng puro problema, mga hinanaing, mga pasakit. Also pray for all that joyfulness, yung mga kasiyahan. Manalangin kayo, oh Lord, nakita kami ng crush ko, thank you na this lead me to like an example, guys, ha. Excited ako, natuwa ako in a short moment, maraming salamat. And kasi minsan I'm also getting like parang out of the blue, as an example lang, guys, ha. Say nalulungkot ka o wala ka sa mood, and then nakita mo itong crush mo. And then nung nakita mo yung crush mo, wow, natuwa ka. Out of the blue, parang nag-high hello si crush mo. It's because the universe is cheering you up. Kasi yung spirit guides mo, they know what's best for you. Alam nila kung sa anong paraan ka matutuwa or ma-excited ka. So they want to see you happy. They care for you. Do not ever think na walang pakialam ang Panginoon sa iyo or ang iyong spirit animals or spirit guides or angel guides. They care for you. They want to see you happy. They are cheering you up. Yeah. So, as an example, kung kayo ay manalangin, also pray for your happiness. Share mo sa Panginoon na what happened today, yesterday, the other day, At magpasalamat, be grateful. The universe wants to hear your prayer. The universe wants to hear you recognize them. Naalala mo sila. Hindi lang naalala mo sila na dahil ikaw nalulungkot. Of course, naalala mo sila dahil gusto mong i-share, ibahagi yung mga happy moments mo. Na ikaw ay nagpapasalamat sa kanila, na ito ay nangyari, and something like that. Kahit sa konting paraan lang, natutuwa na sa universe na marinig yun. At least alam nila na na-recognize mo sila, na alam mo na andyan sila. So again, you guys, the universe wants you to know that they are always protecting you. Meron ditong, marami kayong guides, I'm getting like an ancestors, spirit animals, marami din kayong mga manliligaw. But again, even if marami kayong mga manliligaw, marami nag-admire sa'yo, you are still protected. Yes. Kasi sa universe, hindi niya hinahayaan na mapunta ka sa tamang tao. So again, huwag kayo atat ng atat to be in a relationship para hindi kayo mapunta sa tamang tao. And that's why, yung iba sa inyo dito, nakailang boyfriend, nakailang girlfriend na ako. Lagi akong nasasaktan. Lagi akong parang na-scam or something like that. You have this bad experience when it comes to a relationship. Bakit ganun? The reason is, atat na atat ka siguro, kapatid. Kaya lagi ka lang nalilinglang. Hayaan mo si universe to do the work. To send you this person, the right person for you. And follow your intuition. Yeah. Okay. When you choose someone, choose the person who cares for you. Choose the person who always care for you. Choose the person who made you feel special. Because each one of you are special. Okay? Huwag lang kayo basta-basta nagpapadala ng mga sweet words. Yeah. Let this person, when it comes to a love life, let this person do their movement. Yeah. Well, hindi yung ikaw mismo ang gagawa ng mga movement. Kasi pagka ikaw itong gagawa ng movement, lalong-lalo sa babae, of course, di ba, isipin ng lalaki na siguro yung iba, isipin napaka-cheap naman ng babae ito, siya na mismo ang naniligaw sa akin. Kaya siguro, parang walang ginagawa tong taong ito, or siguro talagang you became like unlucky when it comes to like relationship. Kasi ikaw itong gumagawa ng movement. Sa lalaki, meron itong lalaki na, or a masculine energy. It doesn't have to be a lalaki, ano? Kasi yung energy minsan masculine pero babae naman. Minsan feminine energy pero lalaki. So again, meron itong ang dami-dami mong admirers. So sa dami-dami mong admirers, select the person. Piliin mo yung taong mag-e-effort sa'yo. Piliin mo yung taong magbibigay protection sa'yo. Or magbibigay ng, anong tawag doon? Yung care para sa'yo. And that will be the person that meant for you. Who cares for you. Na siya magkakaintindi sa'yo. Yeah. So follow your instinct. At huwag basta-basta pumili ng tao dahil for the gifts and something like that. Yeah. It's more about kasi sa relationship, guys, if you are looking for, thinking kung paano ba talaga makapili ng tamang tao. Okay? So, kung paano, para sa akin, piliin mo yung tao na you are both in the same boat. You know, yung parehas kayo ng instinct, parehas kayo ng mga gusto, and most likely, respeto and love whatever you are doing. And support, parang ganun. Gods, support each other, ganun din. Yeah. And wag mong pilitin ng sarili mo kung if there's a feeling na parang may something off, may parang red flag ka mo. Yeah. So, kayo na bahala, guys. Again, meron kasi ditong hiniling mo to sa Panginoon. So, mag-ingat sa pagpili ng karelasyon, ano? Pakiramdaman. And, siguro, gumawa kayo ng journal. Magsulat kayo. Isulat nyo yung, if you already have a person in your mind. Or, hindi lang sa person, I'm also getting like, if you have a plan, gumawa kayo ng journal. Isulat nyo yung mga plano ninyo at nang wala kayong makalimutan at para lahat ng mga kasi pagka nag-journal kayo o sinulat nyo yun, parang minamanifest mo yun. And that will fulfilled. Marireceive mo ito. Yeah. Alright, what else, Spirit Angels? Final message na tayo. What else, Spirit Angels? So again, get ready, guys, ha? The universe have something good for you, a gift na deserve mo. Yeah, see? On the bottom, success is on your way. So, continue on manifesting. And, excuse me. Be more patient. Maghintay lang. And sa paghihintay ninyo, keep yourself busy. Magbibisi-bisihan din kayo. Kasi para namang pagka sinabi kong maghintay kayo, wala na kayong ginagawa. Okay, so the universe is urging you to go have some fun with family and friends. So we have here, it's time. Yeah, so it's time to go have some fun with family and friends. It's time to receive this gift from the universe. So, oras na para ma-receive itong regalo or blessings ng universe na ibibigay para sa'yo. So, oras na para mag-enjoy with family and friends, with your children. Lumabas-labas kayo, pumunta kayo ng trip to something about more on forest kasi. Siguro kailangan mo ito. Kailangan mo ito, kapatid. The universe giving you an idea na magpunta kayo ng bundok, mag-hiking kayo, or punta kayo ng garden, or bisita kayo sa relatives ninyo. This is the right time for you na mag-travel kayo as a family, or meeting your siblings. Kung ikaw itong nasa malayo, yeah, this is the right time for you na mag-bakasyon, uuwi, bisitahin yung mga family members. Alright, what else, Spirit Guide Angels? Matutuwa sila pag nakikita ka. What else? Meron kasi ditong may tatay na naghihintay. Siguro ikaw ito nasa malayo. And your tatay is manifesting you. Minamanifest ka ng tatay mo na nawa ikaw ay makauwi na. Para maging kumpleto ang kanyang pamilya. Okay. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Ano pang dapat marinig ng ating mga viewers? So, slow down. Yeah. Slow down, mga kapatid. Kung ikaw itong left and right, itong mga kadate mo, dahan-dahan lang at baka ikaw mapunta sa maling tao. And yung iba sa inyo dito, dahan-dahan lang sa pagpaplano. Again, isulat nyo or make a journal, sa mga journey mo, sa mga gagawin mo o plano mo. Para isa-isa mo itong ma-accomplish or magawa. Yeah, so slow down. Whatever you do, dahan-dahan lang. Because the universe cares for you and they're worried. Lalo-lalo na sa trabaho. So, ingat. Mag-ingat po kayo. At huwag masyadong atat ng atat kasi meron itong atat na atat. What else pa, Spirit Guide Angels? Ano pa ang dapat malaman natin mga minamahal na viewers dito? Alright. Let's get this. You are so adorable, kind, and sweet. So again, the universe really care for you. Our spirit guides meron kasi ditong they cherish you, kapatid. You know, natutuwa sila na nakikita ka, natutuwa sila yung nakita kang masaya, cute na cute sila sa'yo. And I'm also getting that your soulmate is thinking about you. Meron kasi ditong, maybe you are dealing with person na maraming mga admirer. It could be from the past person, or this person could be nangyayari na sa kasalukuyang person mo. This person is thinking of you. And this person is like, meron kasi ditong, you might be dealing with a person na very charming, maraming mga admirer, but again, even if your person have so much admirers, so much past person, girlfriends, kaliwat kanan, this person is still thinking of you. Napapaisip siya sa'yo, kapatid. Or this could be you, your energy, a lot of admirers. Yeah. And again, meron din kasi dito na person na para sa kanya, nag-iisa ka. Amirin like nag-iisa ka. You are one of the kind. Yeah. So your soulmate is thinking about you. Alright. Final message na tayo from the universe. So ito ang dapat mong malaman, mga kapatid. Again, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. What else? Spirit Guide Angels. So again, the universe is, or your guides is like guiding you and your soulmate to be together one day when the time is right. So follow your intuition, guys. Ano ba? So new career, yes. this is one of the gift, a blessings, bagong trabaho. So, new career opening. Your work focus is shifting in a positive, new, and successful direction. So, the universe is guiding you towards a new career. So, kung ito yung minamanifest mo, there's like a new opportunity for you na to jump into this new opportunity sa trabaho. Okay? Or this could be like magle-level up, may magle-level up dito sa inyong trabaho or sa inyong finances. Vegetarian, a new way of eating gives you more energy, greater health, clarity, and stronger manifestation abilities. So again, yung mga minamanifest ninyo, continue eating vegetables. Kasi mas more on, nag-work kasi daw ang manifestation ninyo pagka kumakain kayo palagi ng mga gulay or mga masustansyong pagkain, prutas. Yeah. Spiritual teacher. Your life purpose involves teaching others about healing and spirituality. So again, isa ito sa mga spiritual purpose mo, kapatid. So, or your life purpose. So, yeah, so ikaw siguro itong teacher, no? Or you're like a teacher. Yeah. Whether it's a friendship, or siguro sa mga bata, ikaw itong tao na you have given people wisdom. Tumutulong ka sa kapwa. And people admires you. So, na-admire ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo is because you have so much wisdom within you. You are being admirable of who you are, who you truly are. Napakabait mo. People reach out. So, nagre-reach out ang mga tao sa'yo dahil sa kabutihan mo. Alam nila na malaking tulong ka sa kanila. Pagka may mga kaibigan na humihingi ng tulong sa'yo, andyan ka at alam nila na tama itong mga binibigay mong advice. Or, we'll say, like this tarot reading, siguro, karamihan dito sa mga viewers na they are relying on any of my advice. So, para sa inyo, tama itong advice ko. And for that, maraming salamat po sa pagtiwala nyo dito sa aking any of my advice. And I'm just trying to get the energy. And I'm also thankful. Maraming salamat din sa ating Panginoon, sa ating spirit guides for guiding me on doing this. And this is also my one of my spiritual purpose involves teaching or involves showing everybody about the light, okay, or sending you through the light. Maybe this video will send you through the light, or enlightening you. You know what I mean? So again, this could be you as well, kapatid. So people admires you because you have so much wisdom within you. Yeah, and you give advice. Para kang naging ate, kapatid sa kanila kahit hindi man kay kadugo. And again, this is one of your life purpose. Yeah. To teach everybody. And a lot of people learn from you. Who do you need to forgive? As you release old anger or resentment, you will find that your wishes will come true. All them. Okay. So, the universe, pinapaalala ng universe sa iyo, it's time to forgive. Kasi the more na forget na yung past, yung mga tao na nasaktan ka, or past relationship, move on ka na. Pag once na nakapag-move on ka na, and that will get through your forgiveness. So, forgiveness within your heart, okay? Siya rin ang dating ng iyong manifestation. Yung mga pinapanalangin mo, o yung mga hinihingi mo, or wish fulfillment, you will receive all of that wish fulfillment once you receive this, or you did this forgiveness. Forget and forgive. Let God take good care of the rest. Okay? Yeah. So, tanongin mo sarili mo, sino ba kailangan mong magbigay ng forgiveness? Sarili mo lang din. It's you who need forgiveness. Yeah. Kasi the more na may mga resentment ka, pasakit, andyan pa rin, it's like a blocking. yung mga manifestation mo, nagbablock, that's why it slowed down. Parang walang nangyayari. Yung sinasabi na manifest ka lang na manifest, wala namang nangyayari, it's because you still have that resentment. Hanggang ngayon, dala-dala mo pa rin yung sakit or puot. So again, as the universe advise you here, forgiveness. Forgive yourself. Forgive those past hurtful feelings, events, and let the universe take good care of it. And then that's how your manifestation or wish to come true. Yeah. So hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana kayo ay nag-enjoy sa reading na ito. I love you guys. And I hope to see you guys in my next reading. And maraming salamat po. Bye!